Hi everyone, welcome back, or hello if you're new, I'm Fab. Today we've got a Wizarding Trunk box from the Owlery. It's been a couple of months, so belated Happy New Year everyone. I hope you had a great holiday season. The other box that I've been waiting for is from Magic Delivered, and that one is still delayed. If you subscribe to them as well, then you've probably had an email from them saying that they haven't been able to send out the cozy box yet. It is expected sometime in February, stroke March or thereabouts. So obviously I'll bring you that when I get it. I appreciate them keeping in touch with me about it. And yeah, fingers crossed that that'll arrive soon. So today, Wizarding Trunk, let's do it. I'm excited. It's been ages. Okay, Mouse Mat of the Month is this one from, it's actually from Temu. But how cool is that? I just love this guy so much. And spoiler alert, on the Fallout TV series, oh my goodness, the moment when the ranger took the shot, trying not to tell you too much in case you've not seen it, I actually nearly swooned. I seriously did. Anyway, back to the box. Sorry, I've had too much sugar today. So here it is. Let's have a quick sneak peek. All right. We have stuff. Ooh, okay. I'll put it to one side and just open it up one thing at a time. All right, first things first, out of the velvet pouch, we have this welcome sign with a couple of places for screws to go in. Let's just see if there are any in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, cool. Oh, it's actually a chain. Even better. So you can just hang it. That's nifty. Let me see if I can get the focus a bit better. Yeah, that's a bit better, I think. Okay, so welcome sign with, oh yeah, look at that. That is so cool. Oh, I don't know where I'm going to put it, but it's definitely a keeper. All right, number 2. An interesting little container. Feels like a picture. Oh, it is. Oh, look at that. It's got scribings on it, which are a bit difficult to see because it's shiny. But there's a B&B, mushrooms, flowers. Oh, it's a foxglove and a potion. That is cute. Let's see if I can get it a bit closer for you. And yeah, it's got a little spout. Oh, it's a measuring. I've just looked inside. Duh. Okay, so it's measurings and it's in ounces, which I so much appreciate. It annoys me to death, and milligrams and milliliters, and I haven't got a clue, honestly. I have to convert it every time. All right, very cool little item. Next, an intriguing black box, and it's very plain, mystery box. Oh my god, what the hell is that? It's like a deadly weapon for borrowers, right? I'm sure there's a story to that, but we'll keep opening and see. Okay, off the top of my head, I simply cannot imagine. Okay, next we have one of these little silver boxes, which usually contain adorable charms and no change. Oh, look how lovely. It's a Patronus. And it's the deer. Ooh, that's so I'm going to have a whole bracelet full in a minute. This is the 3rd in the series, and so far I'm just keeping them to one side. Hopefully we'll actually get a little bracelet one day. Okay, and then beneath that, oh no, absolutely not. Okay, we've got the boggart in its spider form on skates, and yeah, a couple of pins at the back. That's going straight in the charity bag. I just can't even countenance having something like that in the house. I absolutely, I can't stand them. There's a lot of items in this box. Let's see what we've got in this one. Oh, okay, a nice potion. Wolfsbane, pure blood apothecary. That is nice. Look at that label. It's beautiful. And it's one of those super shifty, shiny ones as well. Nice. Beautiful seal on the top. Oh, with the actual flower. That's really pretty. And a wolf charm. Adorable. Okay, favourite items so far. And then another brown box. It's extraordinary that these delicate items make it across the pond so well, but everything is super well packed, I must say. Wizarding trunk to a great packing. Okay, that's so cute. Sorry, I got totally distracted by the black cat. So much so that I actually lost speech, says the Godfather. Okay, let's have a sniff. Oh gosh, that smells quite a masculine scent. I wouldn't like to say what I think it is. I honestly don't know, but it smells like a man to me. Oh, so that's this. It does say the Godfather. Super cute. Okay, new favourite item. Okay, I've had a dig to the bottom of the box, and this is one of those, is it a metal sheet? Let me take it out and check. Oh my god, no, it's not. It's cardboard. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, excuse my French. I haven't seen a 45 since I can't remember when. I do have a record player in the loft, and I have a ton of records in it, but it's, you know, stuff like the Smiths and Blondie and things I haven't listened to for, well, since the 90s probably. Oh my god. Wow. That is something. I worry about how many people have record players these days, or, you know, if like me, yours is packed away somewhere. I really should get it out, but I've literally got nowhere to put it. Wow. Oh my god. The cover art, I don't know why. And now I've got Echo and the Bunnymen in my mind. Wow, okay. That's a really cool item. And honestly, most surprising. Seriously. Love it. Okay, next we have a giant box. And it's got the nasty polystyrene. Let's see what's inside that. Oh, please. Oh my god. Mr. Dursley's, what's her name? His sister? I've honestly forgotten the name. Oh my goodness, it's a decoration. Oh, is this the most ghastly item I've ever had? Possibly, but funny. Oh my goodness, the detail's actually pretty good, you know. It really is surprisingly good. I don't know what to make of that. I'm just putting that away. I think you have to be like a serious collector to make a home for that item, maybe. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, candle holder, surely. Oh no, it's not, is it? It's an actual candle. Goodness me. Okay, I've got a couple of spine candles in the house already. This is great. It looks and it feels, not that I've ever felt a bone, but it kind of feels like a bone. It's chalky. Weird. But yeah, cool. Okay, I'll put that with my other spinal items. A phrase I never thought I'd say. Okay, there's a couple more bits and pieces, but here's some of the artwork. Look at that scary item. Wow, that is dark. And then Wolfsbane potion instructions. I'll go in my folder. Oh, here we go. Year 3. All right. The executioner's axe was used to slash a pumpkin. You may be able to use it to cut into your magical and non-magical post and packages. Interesting, really? Let me just check this. Yeah, actually, I guess with this. I was thinking of a cheese knife, but it's definitely not sharp enough for that. Plus, you know, your friends might question you, mightn't they, if you bought this out with the cheese platter. I don't know. Okay, Godfather candle is bergamot, amber and musk. See, I told you it smelled like boys. The inflated ornament. Take care to make sure it doesn't float away. Spinal column candle. It says suggest keeping it as a replica, but while burning it smells of lavender, spearmint and chamomile for relaxation, calming anxiety and mental clarity. The last one would be good, thank you. And then there's the potion page, the skating spider pin, designed by Lyra. Well, guys, thank you. Welcome sign. Oh, hang on. We've got another box. So this is the key. Let's see. Oh my goodness me. All right. So that's kind of fallen out a bit. But look at that thing. That's a hefty item. So this is your room key, and it's been designed by Here Be Monsters 28. Have I got an item missing? It looks like there should have been a little something over there. It's kind of empty slot. Never mind. It's got I love the little witch with the cauldron. That is so cute. The vinyl record, by the way, this is the Marauders' biggest hits. This displayable record was designed for us. Okay, so maybe it doesn't play. All right. And then finally, we have a little velvet pouch. Ooh, and it has a coin in it. One free ride, any destination. Oh my goodness, it's a night bus coin. I will put this in my little box of treasures. So cute. And the same on the other side. Yeah, nice. Well, what a mixed bag we have this month, don't you think? Of actual usable items, I will for sure keep and use the measuring jug. I love the potion will keep. This candle will get burnt any minute now. Love this candle too. The coin and the key, they're all good, as well as the charms, which on the subject of which it says you've now received the third in this series. So what do you think the next charm will be? Not the foggiest, but surprise me. I'm looking forward to it. And of course the welcome sign. I think the only thing that's an absolute flat get out of my house immediately is the pin. All right, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.